Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import other screen recordings into your project in Camtasia. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to create high quality screen recording tutorials, then I highly suggest you go and get Camtasia. Go to growonyoutube.com/Camtasia now. Camtasia is what I am going to be using for all my future videos when I'm making tutorials and screen records and all that sort of stuff. It's really easy to use, way better than using Adobe Premiere Pro, because this is actually made for creating tutorials. So they've got a bunch of pre-made assets that really help that, and they've got a bunch of tutorials on their website and resources that you can download, and I will be making a bunch of tutorials on the software as well. So I highly suggest you go grab it. Go to growonyoutube.com/Camtasia. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better, and importing a screen recording from another project into your current Camtasia project might be a very useful thing for you to do if you're creating a new type of video that is similar to something that you've had before, or you know, you've recorded some screen capture that can be used in your current video. So let me quickly show you how to do this. You want to open up Camtasia and then go to File, and then you want to go to Import, and then we can go to Recent Recordings, and this will show you like a bunch of your recent recordings. Now, they aren't really titled very easily for you to be able to find what you're looking for, but basically the way they're titled is it's the day, I think it's the day, the month, and then the year, or the month, the day, then the year. I'm not 100% sure right now, but it's like whenever it was recorded, and then it's like 1, 2, 3 if you recorded multiple things on the same day. So as you can see, this is the first thing I recorded on this day, and then it's 1, 2, 3. Although, like, I don't know why it's showing me this stuff and not the stuff that I actually recorded today. So I just realized that the reason why I wasn't seeing, you know, the recent recordings that I thought I had made in here in recent recordings is because I actually didn't make any recordings today just yet. I was recording narrations, and those do not count as recent recordings. So yeah, you will find your recent recordings in here generally, but I'm going to show you how to find all the recordings that you've ever made in a sec. As you can see, we just clicked on one of these recordings and it brought one of my recordings in. This was something I recorded a little while ago, and you know, it's walking through my Patreon page. So I might want to use this if I ever talk about my Patreon page in the future. But let's come up here, let's go to import, and let's go to media. This is what you want to go to see your full range of all your recordings. So as you can see, this takes me to my Camtasia Studio narrations. Let's actually go to Camtasia Studio. So if you've just installed Camtasia Studio on your computer, then it will likely be either, you know, CD, whatever drive you have, and then Documents, Camtasia Studio, like whatever the main drive is, wherever you installed it, Documents, Camtasia Studio, and here you'll find all your recordings. And as you can see, it's REC, and then the date, I think this is actually the month, the day, and then the year, and then 1, 2, 3. So you kind of need to know, when did I record this on that day? Is this the third thing I recorded? Is this the fourth thing I recorded? But you can go through trial and error basically, and you can see the times over here at your date modified. So let's actually go back. What do we want to bring in? Let's just bring in anything. We'll bring in this. It's something I recorded on the 12th of June. I don't even remember what this is, but let's bring it in. And here we go. We just brought that in straight into our project, and we can use this like we just recorded it in this project. It's pretty nice, and we can cut it up and do all the normal stuff. So that is how you import a screen recording from another project or just any other screen recording into your current project in Camtasia. I hope this video has helped you out. If you got any questions or any other tutorials that you'd like me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next Camtasia tutorial. Peace out. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.